Hello, everyone. My name is Megan Daniels, and I am the Assistant Director of Admissions at Central Washington University. I'm excited to share some quick updates with you all today about CWU. First of all, just as a refresher, remind everyone that we're located in Ellensburg, Washington, right in the heart of the state. So no matter where you and your students are, we're pretty accessible. We have about 12,000 students enrolled at CWU, so we're a nice medium-sized institution, and we have over 135 programs. So there's something for everyone at CWU. Our top majors include things like education, music performance, the health sciences and the natural sciences, business, and computer science. But we also have a wide variety of unique majors that I definitely encourage students to take a look at. Our average class size is only 25, so we've got kind of that perfect combo of that big school spirit, but small class size environment for students who are still looking for that direct relationship with their faculty. Now, in terms of updates, we have several in regards to admission. Some of these are due to COVID-19 and the pandemic, but some of them are just general changes. We have raised our application fee just slightly. It's now a $60 application fee. We, of course, are still accepting application fee waivers. The NACAC fee waiver works really well for those sort of things. We are waiving test scores and a requirement for SAT or ACT test scores for fall 2021. We have a new priority deadline of March 1st for completing admission applications. And although we're going to be doing most everything virtual this fall, we are going to continue our on-the-spot admissions events just in an online format. So stay tuned for more information via email about that. And just as a reminder for students, if they have a 3.0 or higher and they're Cater complete, they will be guaranteed admission to Central. Other new things happening. So, how are your students going to learn more about CWU right now? We aren't currently offering on-campus tours. We have an online tour available, but we've also added several new virtual platforms or environments for students to learn more about Central. We have an open text line. We have daily virtual information sessions, daily online admissions counselor appointments that students can book for a one-on-one. We have a virtual preview day we're planning for later in October. And we also are in the works for putting up a school counselor web page and mailing list option for all of our high school counselors and community college counselor partners so that you all can keep up to date on what's changing at CWU. We also are pretty active on Instagram, so I encourage students to follow us there. They'll get good updates there as well. Not a lot has changed in terms of financial aid. Obviously, we are supporting students and families that have gone through transition with finances due to job loss, pandemic or non-pandemic related. But just as a reminder, CWU continues to be one of the best values in the state, with the overwhelming majority of our students receiving financial aid. Our average cost for students after financial aid and scholarships kick in is more like $3,000. So we're trying to provide that access for our students. We also have financial aid videos and presentations on our website, so I really encourage students to utilize those if they're having trouble with financial aid. Lastly, I just wanted to show you all your admissions counselors. We are all over the state, even though we aren't going to be meeting with you in person this fall. We would love for you to reach out and let us know how we can help you and your students. We also will be doing some outreach to you to touch base and make sure that we're doing as much as we can to support your students, even though we won't physically be there in person this fall. So those are my updates. Thank you all very much and have a great day.